What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be doing a video on how to check to see if your alternator is bad on your Jeep or if it's possibly the battery. So what we can do is you're going to need to get a voltmeter. So pick one of these up, and then the setting we're going to want to be at is going to be 20 on the DCV, on DC volts. And you're obviously going to turn the guy on. We're going to connect the positive to the positive on the battery, and then the negative to the negative on the battery, and you can see my battery's at 12 and a half. So that's good. So what I'm going to do now, my Jeep's going to be pretty loud, so I'll probably talk a little bit right now. But basically what we're going to look for once the Jeep is started, we're going to check to make sure that the voltage on here is around 14.5. If it's there, that means your alternator is good. If it's low, like 13 or less, you're probably looking at your alternator's on its way out, and if it's obviously way below that, then you probably need to change your alternator. So before you replace your alternator, though, you're going to want to check all the wires on the alternator. Sometimes there are external regulators that you want to make sure that all the cables are connected. You want to check all your ground wires, check everything first, and then if all those are good, then obviously you need to replace your alternator. But I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like when we start it up here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and check this quick. So we're at 14.3. So we are just a tad low. No big deal. As long as we're above 14, I'm thinking we're pretty good. So yeah, so that's just a simple way to check to see obviously if your battery's dying or your alternator's not charging your battery. Like you go for a drive and you park it, and then you go to start it and it won't start because the battery's dead. Your alternator probably wasn't charging it while you're driving. So definitely just a simple, easy way to check to see if your alternator is bad. You can also just go to any battery store that sells batteries, like car batteries, and they will do a free test for you. And I believe the auto parts stores do that as well. So if you don't want to go out and get a voltmeter, you can always go to those places, and they'll do a deeper check on the battery to make sure everything's good for you. But yeah, it's just a simple, quick way to test it if you're having issues. So anyway, guys, hopefully the video helped you. If it did, give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. It helps me out a bunch, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.